All right. Hello, everyone. Assalamualaikum and welcome to our group discussion one for the LETS 2043. I am Akmal and I will be moderating today's conversation. All right. First of all, the purpose of for this discussion is to decide on four language games, online, board, or other forms to be played in the next four group discussion session. We need to justify our choice based on the criteria that um, we need to take it for this subject. For the next task is to divide the group into four pairs, um, and each pair is expected to search for or prepare one language game. But before we start our discussion, let's start with introduction first. So let me introduce myself. My name is Nor Akuma Biamailis Mawar Nor. My metric number is 205598, and I am a final year student from School of Business and Economic. Next one, please.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Hairun Najwa binti Zulkarnain. With metric number 210880. I'm a third year student from Faculty of Human Ecology.
Hi everyone, my name is Wafin Warda binti Azmi and my matrix number is 217153. I'm a second year student from Faculty of Human Ecology.
Hi everyone, my name is Anna Farhana Iskandar. I am final year student and I am from.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Al-Kasabi. My matric number is 208707. I'm a final year student from software engineering faculty.
Hi everyone, my name is Munaza binti Abdul Murad. My matric number is 215960. I'm second year of Faculty Food Science and Technology.
Hello everyone, my name is Fizra Kisina binti Sharifah. My matric number is 21513. I am from Faculty of Human Ecology.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharifah Sufia binti Syed Muhammad Sofi. My matric number is 216889 and I'm from second year student of Faculty Science and Food Technologies.
All right. Thank you, everyone, for your introduction. Okay. Before we start, first of all, this is the group discussion one, which is just to introduce ourselves first, and then of course we need to decide four language game before we start recording before we start play for each game. Okay, so for the first task is we need to decide on four language games, maybe online, board, or other forms to be played in the next four group discussion session. And we need to justify our selection. But I think you guys have maybe some of you have recommendation by your own. What's a game that maybe we can choose for the four language? So maybe some of you can start first to recommend one of the game that we can play.
I think before that we need to choose our pair first, maybe, right?
Sorry?
We need to choose our pair first.
Oh, right. Okay. So if you guys want to choose the pairs first, so let's decide our pair. So for this task, we need to have four pairs, which is one pair have two group members. So let's decide our pair. Mohammed, are you okay with me?
Yeah.
right? So maybe you guys can decide your pair right now. Maybe you can check. Or maybe you can voice out.
My pair would be Fizra.
Right? Second pair have chosen.
Okay, sure. I will be there with you.
The third pair?
I will be paired with Aina. Is it okay, Aina?
Yes, I think I would like to pair with Najwa.
All right. So of course, two member left is Nazah and Sharifah. Like or not, you guys need to be a pair together. Right. So that's for our second task, but we made it short to complete it first. Right. So let's start with the second one, which is to choose 4 games to be played in the next 4 video. So I hope everyone, maybe one of you can start first to recommend the games. Please, anyone can start first. Just a short brief why you choose. Maybe you can justify why you choose that game to be played together. Everyone?
For this next, I'm actually
Maybe I
choose
can start first.
Okay, who's first? Wardah or Fizra?
Wardah first.
Alright, okay.
I'm
Please.
sorry, but my connection is quite lagging, so
Alright, it's okay. Maybe you can
maybe
share your opinion.
Fizra can start first.
Oh my God,
Just
everyone
for
has.
us to do because we have to. Yes.
It's okay. Just proceed. My internet also lagging. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay. So, what I'm going to say is the game that I want to choose is pretty difficult to do because you guys need to download the game. So I'm just doing the simple games such as werewolf game where I would be a host and you guys just play the game and I will give you the role or maybe spin the wheel to give you the role and then you guys play it. So it's pretty simple because you then don't have to go to the website or application. So it would be very simple and easy to do. That is my.
All right. Next person. Maybe Wardah.
Okay, the game. Okay, so the game that I chose is Stumble Guys. So basically, it is a video game that you can download from Apple App Store or even Google Play Store. So how to play is quite simple. So you need to pass all the obstacles without falling, and win the game. So it is really simple and also cute at the same time. So we need to play with other 32 people, including us. So basically, it is a cute game for me. That's it.
All right. Thank you, Wardah. Next, maybe I will present my games. I will recommend my game. The game that I recommend to you guys is Gratis .io, which is website games. Actually, it's about the drawing and gazing. We just need at the beginning of the game, players are presented with a list of words or phrases to choose from, and the selected word or phrase will be what the artist has to draw, which is us. We need just to be artists. So, and the guesses, which all the members will need to guess based on the clue. Okay, so the artist is provided with a set like drawing tools, including a brush, color palette, and the eraser. So you can draw as you like, or maybe to make fun game for us to learn about the new language. So I hope you can happy with this game. So we'll pass to the next person.
I'm sorry, Akmal. Can you repeat it please? Because you're quite lagging, so I can't hear your voice.
Oh, sorry. So lagging, right? Okay, sorry. My internet connection is unstable right now. So I will repeat my explanation. For me, I choose the Garty.io. It is from the website game. Simply to conclude that this game is actually drawing and guessing. At the beginning of the game, players are represented with a list of words or phrases to choose from. The selected word or phrase will be what the artist, which is us, or maybe one of us that need to be artists to draw, and the guesses, which others member will be the guesses. We need to guess based on the clue that are given. So the artist will be provided with a set of drawing tools, including like brush, color palette, and the eraser. So these tools allow them to create visual representation of what the chosen word or phrase. So basically, if we draw beautifully, you can help others member. So if you are bad in drawing, so unlucky for us. So that's all for me. Next member. Yes, everyone.
Okay, let me explain my game. Okay, my game is Wawasan 2020. I think all of us have played it before. I'm not sure about Mohammed, but Wawasan 2020 is a word game from our childhood. Okay, there's no limit to play this game. How to play it? First player needs to choose one letter, and players are given minimum 2 minutes to find a name, country of state, food, beverage, and object that will start with the chosen letter. Okay, then all players will discuss their answer, and if the players' answer are different, they will get 10 points for each category. But if there is a same answer for any category, the points for each word that will be deducted. So players with the highest point will be the winner. I think that's the game I want to suggest.
All right, thank you, Najwa.
Thank
Next
you,
person.
Najwa. I think the game that I will choose is Uno. Uno is originally a card game, but now it have online, so you guys just can download it on your phone. So Uno basically comes from a Spanish word which means one. The reason why I choose this game because it can be played for more than up to 2 players. So each players need to draw the card, and each card has its points which decide the winner. And I think it is such an interesting game to play with your friends. That is all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I would like to suggest a handmade game, but I will download to all of you because it is easy. This game is fun, but for me it's quite challenging for us to think. basically this game already decides what they need us to think. Like they need us to think fruit, so they put 5 dash, and we need to think the 5 secret word that suit in the dash. In this game, it already put alphabet from A to Z. If the guessing player wrong, then the gallows built. The second round is head hanging off the gallows, and the next new body part is built added to the hangman until eight wrong times. If the guessing player correctly fills in before the hanging is complete, they will be the winner. That's all from me. How about you, Sophia?
So my game suggestion is bingo. I think that that some of you know about this game. So basically this game is like this. You just need to draw a box on paper and write BINGO. So total of box is 25, and we need to fill in the box 1 to 25 randomly. So when everyone turns, they need to choose one number, and someone who can accomplish the BINGO first will be a winner. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, so my suggestion about the game is Kahoot. I think Kahoot is well known by students as we played usually in UPM. So it's an online game-based learning platform. It have a game, but it's like a learning style. So the user generate multi-option questions. General question could be any kind of question, and then we have to competition about choosing the right answers. Maybe I share the screen for more version. I cannot share the screen. So basically, we can put some options, and then the one who choose the most correct options, they will get points. The most who have the largest points will win, and as there's dashboard 1, 2, 3. The biggest points wins the game. So this is my suggestion. Thank you.
All right. Thank you guys for the recommended of the games. So let's proceed with 4 games that we need to choose. All right. Before we give tasks to the pairs that need to manage the games. All right. So we have 8 games here, which is from Wafi, Stember guys, from myself, Guarding.io, Fezra, Werewolf Game, Najwa, which is quite familiar with us, Malay people, Wawasan 2020, Sophia, Bingo Game, Aina, Bingo, Aina Uno, sorry. Muna is Hangman. Interesting because I not play before this. Mohammed, Kahoot that we usually use even for the MCO. So let's start to vote to choose. Maybe all of you can choose. Maybe we can use the reaction here. You can use raise hand to vote yes, and if you are not agree with the game, just not raise your hand lah. So it's unlimited to you to vote, but please not vote all the games because it gives us problems to choose the 4 game that which are big majority. So I will choose the game. We will choose the game based on the 4 majority numbers of the voters. So let's work with the first game. If based on the sharing that all our members have shared before, if all of you agree with the Stumble guys, please raise your hand. We will count the numbers of the voters. The person that recommended should raise your hands actually. Okay. Please raise your hand again. Don't lower your hand before I ask to do. Okay. All right. So for the first game is for the Samba guys, 1 voters only. All right. If I'm wrong or my internet connection is lagging, so please correct me. Maybe you guys can write on paper or something to based on our voting. The second one is from myself, Gartic.io, which is the game from Drawing and Gussie. So if all of you agree with this game, please raise your hand. I think we need to faster with the voting this session because we have 10 minutes. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 6 voters for the
Me
seat
also,
work.
me also.
Oh, you also. You cannot use
Also,
you cannot use the
I don't know
racing.
where is it.
Oh, please on the reaction on the reaction they have some button for the raise your hand. So just use it. Okay. 7 people, 7 out of the 8 for the Gartic.io. So next game is please lower your hand first. Next game is werewolf game. If you agree with this game, please raise your hand. All right. In 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. 3 people agree to werewolf game. I think I need to catat. Okay. Lower your hand. So the next game, our Malay games, Wawasan 2020. If you agree with this game, please raise your hand. All right. If I'm not mistaken, 4 people agree with this game, half of our members. All right, please lower your hand for the Wawasan 2020. So the next game is from Sophia. Game is bingo. Please raise your hand. Oh, sorry. I having problem with my net. This. Sorry. All right. Okay. Where we are. How much the what? 1, 2,
If
3,
I'm
4,
not
5.
mistaken, 5.
5. All right. 5. Okay. Next. Sorry. The next game is Uno, right? from Aina. So if you agree with this game, please raise your hand. All right, 4 people. Okay, lower your hand. For the 7th game is Handman from Muna. Please raise your hand. Okay, we have seven people vote for this game. All right. So lower your hand. Okay, the last game is Kahoot from Mohammed. So please raise your hand if you choose this game. All right. 1 people only for this game. So that's all. Thank you very much for your commitment. Raising your hand. Sorry, I'm like little lagging here. It's not lagging, too much lagging. So to conclude all of the voters, I conclude the first game that we will choose is Gartic.io. Is the first game for our games. Second one is Bingo from Sofia. The second game is from Sofia, Bingo. The third one is Muna, Hangman. And actually we have equal words here, which is Wawasan 2020 and Uno here. We have 4 voters. So I hope that we can vote again which game that we need to decide between these two. We vote again. For Wawasan 2020, let's raise your hand if you agree with this game. Okay, please don't do the exact number. All right, 4 people. Okay, all right, lower your hand. And then for the Uno, please raise your hand. Oh, you not raise my hand. All right, 3. That's all. We conclude that Wawasan 2020 is the our game for the first. All right. Thank you all for vote for our game. And to conclude our discussion, we have our pair here for the sequences of the pair that need to present, which between video 2, video recording 2, video recording 3, video recording 4. We will decide on our group WhatsApp which pair will present first, and which pair we conduct on the game that we have chosen. So I summarize that we have chosen Gartic.io for the first game. The second game is Handman. The third game is Wawasan 2020. The fourth is Bingo. Okay. It's a fantastic game. So uh, I'm I excited to play this game with all of you. So that's all from us from group discussion 1. Thank you everyone for your commitment. That's all.